Hey guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome if you're new here. I'm Deepika.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
So in this video, we are going to see SRM admissions for 2024. So if you are planning to pursue your engineering from SRM, then this video is for you. So in this video, specifically, I will be focusing on MTech and BTech programs from SRM. So how to fill the application form, the important dates for SRM JEEE. So in this video, we are going to cover everything about it. And when will the entrance test SRM JEEE will be held? This is basically what we are going to cover in today's video. I will try to cover everything in this video, and even after watching the video, if you have doubts, then do comment down below or you can DM me on my Instagram. So next you will see the application filling and the important dates highlighted for SRM JEEE. So this is the SRM application portal. So here you can see BTech, MTech programs, SRM JEEE application 2024. On the right side, you can see the steps to follow. First is register yourself. Then you have to verify your email, fill your application form online, upload your documents, and then pay the application fee. So by this, you can register for SRM JEEE, which is an entrance exam to get into engineering program. Okay, so on the left side, you can see everything you need to know about this SRM JEEE application. So they have given in very detail, so make sure that you guys go through it, each and every point. So in second point, they have mentioned that the exam fees is 1,200 for each phase and is non-refundable. So if you wish to give exams in both the phases, so you have to pay 1,200 twice, okay, and it is non-refundable. So make sure that you go through each and every point, and students should have 10th mark statement to enter their registration number and other details. So keep these documents handy while you are applying. And they have given like the eligibility criteria as well. Minimum of 60% aggregate in 3 subjects, physics and all that. So this you can read it carefully. And now let's come to the entrance exam for engineering programs, SRM JEEE. So they have given the number of phases is 2. So SRM JEEE remote protected online mode. So you can take up the examination from your home using desktop or a laptop. And the application deadline for each phase. So they have given that there will be 2 phases conducted. First phase is 20th April, 21st April and 22nd April. And the application deadline is 13th April. So you have to fill the application form if you're planning to give the exam, then please submit your application before 13th April because that is the deadline for the application. The second phase is going to be conducted on 21st, 22nd and 23rd June. And the application deadline for that phase is 15th June. You can even apply right now for the second phase or for the first phase. So on the down, you can see there are like more details in the PDF, eligibility, process, syllabus and pattern. So make sure that you go through that PDF thoroughly so that you don't miss out any important information, and make sure that if you are eligible, then only you apply, otherwise your money will be wasted. And you can even see the syllabus for each and every subject in detail. So make sure that you study accordingly through the syllabus, and it is pretty much very similar to your 12th standard. So admissions are open for 2024, and now you have to first register yourself, okay, before applying. So you register yourself as a candidate. You have to give your name, email address, mobile number, state, city, faculty and college, degree, select your program, interested program. You can even select later on. And then you have to click on the apply now. Make sure that your email address is working, okay, because you have to provide OTP while you are registering, and they will be communicated to you by your email address only. So make sure that your email address is working and it has space to receive emails. Well, so now you have registered and this is your application portal. So here you can see your engineering and technology. You can choose your degree, BTech, MTech, whatever, and then so this is your application form, and there will be all the details mentioned. And you can even check your eligibility criteria from here. They have mentioned if you want to apply for phase 1, click on apply now, which is next to it. And then you will be directed to your details page. So now you have to give your personal details first. And you can even see how much you have completed. So we have completed at 5% right now. Next up, these are the details. So your nationality, where you have studied, or have you studied from India, your program and campus preference. So first they will ask you your program and campus preference. So give in detail, okay. Then you have to provide your personal details, your full name, your mobile number, WhatsApp number, email ID, date of birth, gender, and then your parents' detail and your address for communication. So when you have filled out this, then you go for the next step, which is academic details. So in this, you have to provide your academic details. So if you're 12th appearing or you have completed your 12th, you have to select that, and you have to mention your 10th plus 12th details. So make sure that you have your documents ready. You can even provide your DigiLocker ID if you have your mark sheets in DigiLocker. So if you have, then you can even provide your DigiLocker. And if you have provided from DigiLocker, then you can fetch your documents from DigiLocker directly. So you don't have to manually upload. But if you don't have, it's okay. You can even upload your photos and your signatures manually and your documents. Next step is your declaration, and then you just have to preview it. Preview everything, make sure that everything is correct in the document, check it twice, okay, and then go for the payment, and check your campus preferences as well and your course preferences. Then you have to just do the payments, and that's it. You have registered, and then your examination will be either in April or in June. It depends on your phase. So that's it, guys, for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.